Good morning, students. This is Kiran Sir's voice. We are going to deal about the explanation about the paper. Okay, this is the subject English for 7th standard. So, student, this is your duty to read out the whole paper first, and after that, write the answers of the questions. Now, see, there is a question number first. Read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. Okay, this is the Isaac Newton paragraph. It's a very simple paragraph. Go through this paragraph, and there are having the 5 questions. Read out the 5 questions and answer that 5 questions. And these questions depend on the only this paragraph, and this is the very easy. Okay, read clearly, understand well, and write the answers. Okay, now this is the question number second. Read the poem carefully and answer the following questions. This is the one poem. Go through this poem. This poem is also easy to understand. If you find out some difficult words, go through the dictionary. You can find out the answers of these difficult words. Okay, so on this poem having the 5 questions, and this is for the 5 marks. Passage is for the 5 marks, and this is the poem also 5 marks. There are some questions. Read out the questions and write the answers. Now question number 3, answer the following questions. Why did the 2 boys in the kitchen not speak to Hari? That type up. There are 4 questions, 4 marks. Okay. Now reference to context. This is the question for only 2 marks. So you have to write the reference and write the answer of this question. This is for the 2 marks. Now write meanings of the words. Isolations. What is the meaning of isolation? You have to write here. What is the meaning of suburb? You have to write in your answer sheet. Now question number 6, select the best answer. There are 1 questions and having the 4 options or 3 options. You have to tick correct one. Write the whole options and tick the correct one. Okay, A, B, C and D. These are the 4 questions, 4 marks. Now question number 7, add ISS और Y. जहाँ पे ISS ऐड करना है कीजिए और जहाँ पर Y ऐड करना है कीजिए. And this is for the 4 marks. So read out the properly and understand properly, write clearly. Question number 8, complete the following similes. Similes, you have to put on the similes words here. There are 4 questions, 4 marks. As busy as heavy as red as black as. So already we discussed about this pattern, so this is not tough to you. Now question number 9, composition. And there are having 2 composition. You have to write any one. कोई भी एक लिखना है. And this is for the 5 marks. So my dear students, I hope you understand the English textbook properly, all questions. Okay, already we give the patterns, what type of questions you deal with that paper, and this is the explanation about the question paper. Okay, now we are dealing the grammar. Question number first, write antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. So close, encourage, minor, inferior, these are the words. You have to write the antonyms. Tick and rewrite correct spelling. You have to tick correct one and write in your answer sheet. 3 questions, 3 marks. Write the comparative and superlative form to the following. Bold, you have to write comparative form, superlative form. Popular, you have to write comparative form and superlative form. Okay. Now the question number 4, underline the correct word. You have to write the whole sentence, and which is correct you have to tick there or underline there. Okay, this is for the 3 question, 3 marks. Now question number 5, underline the correct conjunctions. You read out the whole sentences and underline which is correct conjunction you have to put there. Write the whole sentence and underline the correct one. Now question number 6, rewrite the sentence in the passive voice. Okay, you have to, this sentence you have to make in a passive voice, is active to passive. Now question number 7, turn the following into reported speech. Reported speech, 2 questions, 2 marks. This is the simple. Ravi said, I am free. Coming to said to her. This is the very simple. Now last question is question number 8, letter writing. This is the formal letter writing. Write a letter to your principal for leave. कितने दिन की लीव चाहिए वो आप डिसाइड कीजिए, एंड रिगार्डिंग दैट यू हैव टू पुट द डेट देयर. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग एंड you have to write, and this is for the 5 marks. Okay, so this is the explanation of this video. I hope that you understand properly. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.